And you've got 10s and 12s, right?
4 10s, 2 12s.
Okay. All right. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. The Frankenstein, okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 batteries.
Yeah. Don't know the own series. I think it's on 0.8.
So 2500?
Yes.
Okay. And you've got 10s and 12s, right?
4 10s, 2 12s.
Okay. All right. I like this. It's different. Can I get a demo?
Yeah, go ahead. Sit in.
Yeah, sure.
Let me move everything.
Go ahead. This will be a good flex video. Thank you very much.
What is that? Ain't fully set up. Took us all night to get this set up.
It's okay.
Oh, you might leave it down. It sounds like shit.
Let's take this off. There we go. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of the Frankenstein was the name of his system. He made it to the cardio show Savannah Seaport 2021 and showed out. Not the prettiest system by no means, but go ahead and give him a thumbs up. He did a great job. And definitely, if you want to check out the previous video link, this was when he actually had an 18-inch subwoofer as well. 3 different subwoofer sizes. Now he's at 2 different subwoofer sizes. So go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. Of course, it's not the prettiest system by no means, but he got the job done. And definitely recommend checking the link in the description for his previous system if you want to see that demo. We had an additional sub, I'm assuming, where his port is in the front. That is actually where his port blowout is, but that's a 12-inch diameter subwoofer mount as well, so probably an 11-inch cutout. But pretty unique style system for sure, and he's run all of these subwoofers, all 6 of them, 4 10-inch subwoofers and 2 12-inch subwoofers to around 0.8 to 1.2 ohm on this single 2500 watt amp. Up the subwoofers, it looks like these are 600 watt RMS 10-inch DD red lines on the top here. The sides are 1000 watt RMS NVX VCWs, and on the back end there's 2 Toro 10-inch subwoofers. I think those are rated at 800 watts RMS. So 3 different style subwoofers, 2 different sizes. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your every day on JacobViral YouTube. And I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. Let's get to the Frankenstein bass demo. Enjoy. Ready when you are. Thanks for watching.
That was on 28 to 51 hertz.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you. Good job. Thank
We'll
you.
send you a video whenever it's fully
Sure.
out.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.